Hi there. So, I mentioned that one of my other hobbies besides crochet is pyrography, and so I wanted to just talk about the process of how I make these ornaments here. So, I start with these little wooden circles, and I sketch an image that I want to burn onto them with a pencil. Sometimes I'll just do something that comes to my mind, or I'll search the internet for some ideas and kind of like trace it on to the piece of wood. Then I'll take out my wood burning pen, plug it in, heat it up, use it to trace over the design. These ornaments are really simple, so there's not a lot of different texture stuff, but sometimes I do get a little bit more detail oriented. And then once I've traced over the design with the wood burning pen, I go through and I add some paint in some of the areas. I have made a few that if there's more pyrography detail there, I won't really do the paint as much, but these ones here, I'll have the paint on them. And then once the paint has dried, I will add some Mod Podge over the top to kind of just seal everything in and give it a nice shiny look. And sometimes if the design calls for it, I'll throw a little glitter in there just for some extra festive fun. And then take a little ribbon and tie it through the hole so that they can be hung up. And yeah, it's a super simple process, and I think they look really cute and they make great little gifts for people. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoy. Maybe you'll try to make one yourself.